this is how Sam takes all of these manual processes, it adds automations in a really intuitive way. It's using AI in a way that's helping us. And it's not a marketing gimmick, it's not a sales gimmick. You know, a lot of things, when you added AI to RealVolve, you just added a template editor that would generate content, but not, you know, it can do so much more. And so at every step, I've tried to think about how can we infuse this system? How can we make a modern system for our real estate friends to actually use this? Now, the kicker for me, the routines, the communication matrix is kind of the umbrella for these automations, the routines. I came up with this idea because I needed a better onboarding experience, like I was talking for my people as they come in to work with me. And that's where I kind of realized I needed this for my business. And then from there, it's like, well, if it works for me, it's gonna work for them. And so that's the system in a nutshell.
In a nutshell. I'm not sure how long we've been going at this, but that's amazing.
Thank you.
What excites me about this is there are so many parts and pieces that you've thought through, and a lot of it, we have discussed. We discussed some of the stuff whenever we were working on the book together, and building out systems for real estate agents, and maybe we need to have a discussion just on systems at some point. Why are systems important and stuff? People don't realize that they do systems every day. They just don't have them a lot of times written down, or they don't, and things fall through the cracks. And this is a way that you've done two things. You've given them the ability to build the systems, at the same time use the systems, which I think is really great. And that's why it's called the Systems Accelerator Manager. And you call it Sam, and I get that. It's just, I have spent so many years trying to help the real estate agent understand they need systems, and then they get the idea that, yeah, I need the systems, but God, it's a lot of work to build those systems. So you've answered that as well. So you're using the Quest, you're using the AI to help generate the content, to build the things, so the agent doesn't have to think about what do I need to build, or how do I build, or whatever. It's more of a refining. Okay, once it's built, how do I want to personalize it to me? And that just makes things so much easier, and you've done a really great job with that. So
thank you.